If you want to learn how to use ElevenLabs AI as a complete beginner, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the basic steps to create realistic AI voice audio using the free tier, which gives you 10,000 characters or about 10 minutes of audio and renews every 30 days. This is perfect if you want to turn text into speech for videos, content creation, voiceovers, or practice projects. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to ElevenLabs.io. Once the site loads, create your free account or sign in if you already have one. The sign up process is quick, and after you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main ElevenLabs dashboard. Now look for the Speech tab. Inside that section, choose Text to Speech. This is where you'll turn written text into an AI-generated voice. It's the main tool most beginners will use, so once you find it, you're already in the right place. Next, you'll configure your voice. Start by selecting a voice you want to use. ElevenLabs gives you different voice options, so pick one that matches the style you need. After that, choose 11 Multilingual V2. This model is a strong option because it supports multiple languages and delivers natural-sounding speech. You can also adjust the voice settings if needed, such as stability, similarity, or style, depending on the result you want. If you're just starting out, keep the settings simple and test a few versions until you find a sound you like. Once your voice is set up, paste or type your text into the input box. Make sure your text is clean and easy to read, because that will help the final audio sound smoother. Then click Generate Speech. ElevenLabs will process your text and create the audio for you in just a few moments. After the audio is generated, listen back to it and make sure it sounds the way you expected. If it does, you can download the file and use it in your project. If not, you can go back, adjust the voice settings, or edit the text and generate it again until you get the right result. And that's the beginner workflow for using ElevenLabs AI. Sign up, go to Speech, open Text to Speech, select your voice and 11 Multilingual V2, enter your text, generate the speech, and download the audio. It's simple, fast, and a great way to create professional sounding voiceovers without recording your own voice. If this tutorial helped, please like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step AI and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.